Take a ride in the 2022 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, daytime running lamps, luggage rack, steering wheel controls, adaptive cruise control, remote start, keyless start, cruise control, power outlet, air conditioning. Your new ride is just a phone call away.